creative mind. So this is Usman Okoyemi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how you can download and install font to Pixellab. So without further ado, let's quickly start with today's tutorial. As can see, this is Pixellab. So let's quickly go to fonts. Alright, yes. So this is fonts. So these are the default fonts that came up with Pixellab. If you are new to Pixellab, if you are using Pixellab for the first time, you must see all these fonts here. Although this is a pro version, either we are using pro version or regular version, no matter the version we are using, so you must have a font here that came up with the Pixellab you are using. Alright, so this is my fonts. Alright, these are the fonts that I installed to Pixellab. If you are new to Pixellab, you must this place must be blank, so you don't have anything here. So these are the fonts that I installed already to Pixellab. There are so many here. So that is exactly what I will be teaching you in this tutorial. I'll be teaching you on how you can download the fonts and also how you can install it to the Pixellab. Alright, so without further ado, let's quickly start with today's tutorial. So the first thing I will do now is to go to a Chrome browser. So I'll just open my Chrome here. So let me search for Chrome. Alright, so after searching for Chrome, I will locate the fonts that I'm gonna use. So I will just use Google font download. Alright, so this is the font I will use, this Google. As you can see, there are so many websites here that you can use. There are so many here, but if you want to use the easy one, that is, the one that is easy to navigate, that it won't be stressing you at all, so just go to that font. So as you can see, this is that font. So this is the interface. All you have to do here is that you just go to this download. This download, just click on this download here. This where my cursor is pointing. So just click on download. Alright, so the font will download automatically. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So let's just open it. So as you can see, before you open it, let me quickly teach you something that you have to do. Alright, so you just open your Play Store here. I think just click on Play Store. Alright, so there is the particular app that I want you to download before even before downloading the fonts. Just search for Z Achiever or Z Archiver, anyhow you call it. So this is Z Achiever. So I have it on my phone already, so I won't be downloading it anymore. In case if you want to download your own, just click on download and it will be downloaded. Alright, so let's click on this. Let's go back to the browser. So just go to download. So this is the font that we just downloaded. Just click on it and that Z Achiever will appear here. So all you have to do is just to click on it. Alright, so as you can see, this is the font that we just downloaded. Alright, so what you have to do here is to just go to Google. Let's click on this particular one. Click on extract. So we now create a folder for it, or if you have any folder that you can extract it to here, you can do it. But for the sake of the tutorial and for you to locate it easily, so you can just click on this download and click on device storage. Alright, yeah, so just click on this plus icon here and create new folder for it. So you can create, let me just create my fonts. Yeah, my fonts. I think I have something similar to it. Let me just put double T so that I will easily locate it. Just click on my fonts. So as you can see, this is my font. So as you can see, the Google has been extracted here. So all you have to do now is to go back to Pixellab. Let's go back to Pixellab. So I will just close it and open it back so that the fonts will appear. Alright, so let me just change this to font. Let me change this to normal text. I can just write fonts here. Let me just write fonts here. So let me increase the size. Alright, so let me give it a white background color so that text, the hierarchy will be there, so it will be visible. Alright, so let me just click on this. Alright, so let's go back to the text and search for my fonts. So you now go back to this my font, click on this my font. As you can see, there are these two icons that you are seeing here, what these two guys you are seeing here. Let me go back, these two guys, this one and this one. So all you have to do here is that you can click on this second one and locate the folder that we just created. I mean, this my font. As you can see, the Google has been appear. Just click on it. If you click on it, just click on this add directory. Alright, so we now search for this Google. As you can see, this is Google boot. Click on it. Alright, as you can see, the font has been appeared here. So after downloading it, and we also install it to Pixellab, so it has been appear here. So this is the easy way in which you can download and how you can install form to your Pixellab. So if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure you give this video a thumbs up by subscribing to the channel, and also press the notification button so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a creative video like this. Because starting from today, I'll be uploading a video maybe perhaps twice in a week or even once in a week, so that you won't be left behind whenever I upload any creative video like this. And also, if you are encountering any difficulties while installing this onto your Pixellab, you can just comment what you are passing through, so that I will quickly, maybe I will do tutorial on how you can solve the problem, or maybe I will just teach you on how you can easily do it. So thank you guys for sticking with me starting from the beginning of this video to the end. See you in the next video. Bye for now.